AI tools you can run locally, no cloud required. From document processing to open source models, these 10 projects deliver. Welcome to GitHub Trends, Python, and more. Google Document AI charges $150 per 1,000 pages. Docling does it locally for free. It converts PDFs, DOCX, PPTX, even HTML into structured Markdown or JSON, complete with table structure, reading order, and formula extraction. Backed by IBM, it's got 58,000 GitHub stars and over 2 million monthly PyPI downloads. It integrates with LangChain and Llama Index out of the box. Worth a star? Link in description. OpenAI's API costs add up fast. LocalAI is a drop-in replacement that runs entirely on your own hardware. It exposes OpenAI-compatible endpoints for text, image, audio generation. Google Cloud Vision charges $150 per 1,000 images. PaddleOCR does it for free, low-call, with production-grade accuracy. It converts PDFs and images into structured Markdown or JSON, ready for your LLM pipeline. Its latest model, a 0.9 billion parameter vision language model, hits 94.5% on document benchmarks, beating many closed-source solutions. It supports over 100 languages, runs entirely offline, and has racked up 76,000 stars on GitHub. No subscription. AI coding assistants charge $20 a month and hide how they work. Learn-Claude-Code is a free, open-source course that reverse engineers Claude Code's entire architecture from scratch. Across 12 sessions, you build a real agent harness with tool dispatch, sub-agents, task systems, and autonomous teamwork, all in plain Python. 57,000 stars in under a year prove developers want to understand what they're paying for. You'll come out knowing exactly how AI agents tick. Link below. See you tomorrow. 10 to 100 times faster than pip. Over 84,000 developers have already started. One single binary replaces pip, poetry, PNV, virtualenv, and pips entirely. If you are still typing pip install and waiting, you are burning time every single day. Worth a star? Link in description. Claude Code charges $20 a month on Pro and up to $200 on Max. Free Claude Code gives you the same coding agent for exactly $0. It routes Anthropic's Claude through free API providers so you get the full terminal experience, VS Code extension integration, and even Discord with voice support. Over 19,000 developers have started this project in just 3 months. Star it if this saved you money. Enterprise file identification tools charge thousands a year for what Google just made free. Magika is an AI-powered file type detector that identifies over 200 content types with 99% accuracy. It runs in 5 milliseconds per file on a single CPU, no GPU needed. Google already uses it to scan hundreds of billions of files every week across Gmail, Drive, and Safe Browsing. You can install it in Python, Rust, or JavaScript with one command. 16,000 stars and counting. Link below. See you tomorrow. Midjourney charges $60 a month for AI image generation. ComfyUI does it free with way more control. It's a node-based interface where you wire together your own AI workflows using Stable Diffusion, Flux, video models, and more. Over 163,000 stars on GitHub. You get full local control, 0 subscriptions, and support for image, video, audio, and 3D generation. If you've been paying for AI art tools, stop. Star it if this saved you money. Understanding a large codebase wastes tokens reading file after file. Graphify fixes that. Type one command and it turns any folder of code, docs, PDFs, even videos into a queryable knowledge graph. You get a 71 times reduction in tokens per query compared to reading raw files. It works across 25 languages via TreeSitter and integrates with 16 AI coding assistants like Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex. No vector database needed. It runs entirely locally. It hit 39,000 stars on GitHub in under 4 weeks. Bloomberg Terminal costs $27,000 a year. FinceptTerminal does most of it for free. It's a native C++ desktop app with over 100 data connectors, 37 AI agents modeled after legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch, and CFA-level analytics, including DCF models and portfolio optimization. You also get real-time trading, quant analysis, and 16 broker integrations, all in a single native binary, no Electron, no browser overhead, 18,000 stars on GitHub. Worth a star? Link in description. Star these repos and follow GitHub trends for more. See you next time.